At Zell, we're much more than branded environments.
More than strategy and design.
More than retail marketing.
Design engineering.
Production.
And rollout.
At Zell, we're all in, all the way. That means giving our all every single day. It means bringing our expertise, passion, and energy to every client and project. We're united in our commitment to delivering top-tier customer experiences every step of the way. And we support one another, lifting each other up and creating an environment where everyone feels empowered to succeed. And that's contagious in the best possible way by providing the full spectrum of expertise from ideation through installation and rollout, with seamless integration along the project path, wherever our clients need us most. Zell. We're all in for you, for us, and for the greater good.